Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is software testing, its importance, and at the last we will discuss why software testing is really important with some real-time examples. So now let's get started. What is software testing? What is testing? Let's take an example. Let's say a company launched a new detergent product and they are selling it for less price. As a user, I wanted to buy that product. So I bought it and I will check whether it is meeting my expectations or not. What is mean by meeting my expectations? It means whether that detergent product is removing dirt from the clothes. That is my expectation. So whatever the process I am doing, that is nothing but testing. I am testing the product to check whether that is meeting my expectations or not. So the same goes with software testing also. Instead of testing a detergent here, we will be testing a software. So let's understand this definition. Software testing is the process of verifying and validating that a software application works as expected. So software testing is nothing but it is the process where you will test that particular software whether it is meeting the expectations or not. So why it is helpful? It helps identify bugs, errors, or missing requirements before the software reaches the user. See, if you don't test the product and you release into the market, what happens? Maybe the users will not satisfy with your product and at the last you will get lost, right? So this is why software testing is important. Now let's discuss why software testing is important. Importance of software testing. So the first thing is it will save time and cost. How it will save our time and cost? Let's say that you have developed the whole software and you released into the market. What happens? Maybe there are some bugs in that software. What happens? Whatever the cost you kept for the software is lost. There are no profits generating. If the users don't like it, how the profits can be generated? And at the same time, again, you have to review that software which you have developed and it takes much time, extra time it will take. Instead, if you test that software from the beginning of developing it, it will save you the time and at the same time it will save you the cost also. And the next thing, it will ensure the quality. Obviously, it will ensure the quality. How? If you are doing the software testing simultaneously while developing the product, definitely it will improve the quality of the software. Means there are no bugs in the software, there are no errors in the software, hence it will ensure the quality. And the next importance is it prevents financial and reputational loss. Definitely, right? And the next importance is it improves user experience. So, if you test the software product before you release into the market, it will definitely improve the user experience. Now, let's discuss some real time examples of software bugs. Here you can understand why software testing is really important. So, the first thing is Instagram story views bugs. So, what happened in 23 with Instagram is we'll keep some stories right in our Instagram profiles. So what happened is it is showing as viewed for the people who didn't actually watch those stories only. So what happens at the last? The people will get frustrated and they will have some trust issues with the app, right? And also there are some privacy concerns, right? So before releasing this particular functionality into the product, if you test it, maybe it will not result. This bug will not result, right? So, and the second real time example is Amazon pricing glitch. So, what happened with Amazon in 2014 is they accidentally sold expensive products for only $0.01. Let's say the product is for $100 and it is showing only $0.01. Then what happens? definitely the people whoever selling on the Amazon platform, they will lose many dollars, right? So if you don't do software testing before releasing into the market, so these are all the things that will happen. Okay, that is why software testing plays an important role in the development of the software. Now let's discuss the types of errors found in testing. See, many of you have doubt like testing means what I can do for a particular software, what I need to test in a software, right? So here are some of the testings you can do. So there is something called as functional errors, or you can say it as a functional testing, where you will be testing the functionality of the application. For instance, a login button not working. Let's say take the example of the Amazon page only. What you will do, the first thing you will do is you will log into that particular page, but you have entered the credentials and the login button is not working. So that kind of things are known as functional errors. So basically if you are testing those kind of functional errors, that is known as functional testing. Next errors is UI errors, text misalignment in a mobile app. Suppose sometimes it happens, right, with your mobile. When you open the sign up page, there is a picture there, but that picture is not correctly aligned with the text. So those kind of issues are known as UI errors, and basically if you are testing these kind of things, then that is known as UI testing. And the other thing is performance issues. So performance, a website loading too slowly. For instance, take the same Amazon web page. Sometimes during the Amazon Great Indian Festivals, all those things, right? What happens is lot of traffic come to that page. At that time also, whatever the Amazon website, it has to handle those kind of traffic also. So testing those kind of things is known as performance testing. And the last one is security flaws. See, the greatest example is this thing only, a banking app exposing user data. So, if a banking app is exposing the user data, then everyone will know all the passwords, all those things, right? At the last, all the hackers will become active and they will do whatever they want. So if you are doing testing on this kind of security, then it is known as security testing. So that's it in this video. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.